Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Steam achievements. The only way to do it is by using third-party tools, and you should know that this is not officially supported by Valve. First, you need to download a program called Steam Achievement Manager, also known as SAM. This is a small tool that lets you add or remove achievements from any game you own on Steam. You can find it online with a quick search. Once you have downloaded it, extract the folder and open the file called SAM Picker. When you run it, you may see a security warning. Just allow it to run because it needs to access your Steam games. The program will open a window showing all the games you own. Choose the game where you want to reset achievements. Double-click on it, and another window will open with a list of every achievement in that game. To reset them, you first uncheck all the achievements that are currently unlocked. Then click the Commit Changes button. This removes them from your account. If you want to lock all of them at once, there is also an option to clear everything with one click. After you do this, close the program and restart Steam. When you check your game page, you will see that the achievements are reset. Thanks for watching.